Olunaku olwaleero eggwanga lwe lijaguza olunaku lw'abasomesa era ng'emikolo emikulu giyindidde lugogo ku Cricket Oval ng'omukulembeze w'eggwanga lino Gen. Kaguta Museveni Tibuhaburwa y'abadde omugenyi omukulu. Gen. Kaguta Museveni mu kwogera kwe ategeezezza nti abasomesa bantu ba mugaso nnyo mu ggwanga bw'atyo n'asuubiza okwongeza emisaala gyabwe kyokka nga wakukikola mu mitendera kubanga ensimbi nnyingi ezeetaagibwa okukola ku bintu eby'enjawulo.
You are trying to make the economy recover from collapse. Secondly, you are trying to make the economy, the other phases I've told you about, to expand and so on. At the same time, you have got this big task of not just dealing with a small number of learners, but dealing with the large number of learners. If we are dealing with a small group of learners, we would have few teachers to teach them. And they could be paid very well, the few teachers, to teach a few.
Museveni era musanyufu olw'omuwendo gw'abayivu okweyongera mu ggwanga.
But because of the mass education, in spite of all the problems we have, the literacy rate has gone from 43% to 76% now. So now, our Muganda Wagambira abari baseka. You remember the Rugero? Abari baseka bajje bandabe. Those who are laughing.
Ono era atuukiriza n'obweyamu bwe yakola mu mwaka oguwedde bwa bombi 20 okukulaakulanya abasomesa.
Mama told you other aspects. Like, for instance, the teachers in the private schools are getting less money, but they work more. That one is a challenge. So therefore, our intention is very clear. The economy is growing. You can see the economy is growing quite fast. You have seen inflation is low. Our target is to pay all the public servants well, but also increase the numbers of the public servants.
Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza era mukulembeze w'eggwanga Janet Kataha Museveni yeebazizza abasomesa olw'amaanyi ge batadde mu mulimu gwabwe.
Let teachers use their voices to bring positive, creative and innovative energy into the teaching profession. But I must say that when you cannot envision the kind of country you want to see or your great-grandchildren to live in, you may not rightly speak into the kind of teaching profession you desire to make the education system catalyze the transformation journey to that envisioned future for our homeland.
Kataha ategeezezza nti abasomesa eggwanga libalinamu essuubi ly'amaanyi okutendeka omugigi omuto.
Of course, as a government, we shall do our part in formulating the necessary policies and enabling laws to have quality teaching and practice of the profession.
Teachers as creative intellectuals and innovative professionals within a new social contract for education, we can protect their labor rights and harness their insights to shape effective educational practices.
Teachers, let us remember that we have a God-given assignment to ensure that every child that comes to our schools receives holistic and quality education and becomes a useful adult.
Omukolo guno gwetabiddwako Minisita Omubeezi w'ebyemizannyo Peter Ogwang, Minisita Omubeezi wa Kampala Christopher Kabicho Fatogabye n'abalala bangi.
Weewaawo ebyo nno nga tubitadde ku mabbali omumyuka asooka wa Katikkiro w'ekitiibwa Robert Waggwa Nsibirwa asabye abakulembeze okwosaako n'abakristu okulabira ku birungi entoko.